Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is capability. It's a C1 level noun meaning ability or skill. So, what exactly does capability mean? Simply put, it refers to the power or ability to do something. It encompasses the skills, qualities, or resources needed to achieve a particular goal. Think of it as your potential in action. It's not just about what you know, it's about what you can do. Let's dive into some synonyms that will help us understand capability even better. One synonym for capability is ability. For example, she has the ability to learn languages quickly. Another synonym is skill. For example, his skill in carpentry is impressive. A third synonym is capacity. For instance, the stadium has a capacity of 50,000 people. We can also use the word proficiency. For example, her proficiency in coding is outstanding. Finally, another useful synonym is competence. For example, he demonstrated competence in managing the project. Now, let's look at some antonyms to understand the contrasting meanings. An antonym for capability is inability. For example, his inability to focus hindered his progress. Another antonym is incompetence. For example, the company suffered due to the manager's incompetence. We can also use the word incapacity. For instance, his illness caused temporary incapacity. A further antonym is weakness. For example, his weakness in mathematics prevented him from pursuing engineering. Another opposing word is deficiency. For example, the soil had a deficiency in essential nutrients. So, how can we use capability in our everyday lives? Well, you might say, the company is assessing the capability of its employees to handle the new software. Or perhaps, developing your capability in public speaking can boost your career. You could also say, the government is investing in research to enhance the country's technological capability. Here are some more examples in sentences and phrases. Her natural capability for music was evident from a young age. He demonstrated the capability to lead the team effectively. The company invested heavily in improving its manufacturing capability. They questioned his capability to handle the pressure. She exceeded all expectations, proving her capability beyond doubt. The project tested the limits of our technical capability. Developing new capabilities is crucial for staying competitive in today's market. He was hired because of his proven capability in problem solving. The training program aims to enhance the capabilities of the workforce. The machine has the capability of processing large amounts of data quickly. The organization is focused on building capability in data analytics. Her capability to adapt to change made her a valuable asset. The new technology increased the production capability of the factory. The team's combined capabilities allowed them to overcome the challenges. The system's capability to detect errors is essential for security. He is developing his capability in negotiation skills. The company is expanding its capability to serve international clients. The project demonstrated her capability to manage complex tasks. The university provides opportunities to develop students' intellectual capabilities. The new software enhances the system's overall capability. The training session focuses on improving our capability to communicate effectively. To summarize, capability refers to the ability or skill to do something. We explored synonyms like ability, skill, capacity, proficiency, and competence, and antonyms such as inability, incompetence, incapacity, weakness, and deficiency. We also saw how capability is used in everyday language and various sentence structures. I hope this has helped you better understand the word capability. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word today. I really appreciate you spending your time with me. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And before you go, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word capability and share it as a comment under the video. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.